level, because if you are serving something in here where you need to keep the dipping sauce either warm or melted, leave it to Temp-tations to come up with just the right solution. This is called their electric chip and dip server with the warmer. Now, in this pack up, you're going to get a serving bowl that has 4 cavities. 1, 2, 3, 4 cavities. There's also a little bowl here in the middle. Underneath the bowl is an electric warmer. So your bowl fits down over the warmer, or your serving platter, I should say, and then your bowl sits right on top of the warmer, and now whatever I have inside here gets nice and warm and melty. Where does the cord go? If you'll notice this serving platter, there are little raised areas here. The cord hides right here and plugs into the warming base, and then you plug this into the wall. Tara has also included 4 of her great recipe cards: Pat's crab dip, cheddar cheese dip, artichoke dip, and Anita's sausage dip. All of this included, and we've got some great colors. But first, let's meet Tara Tesher, the president, CEO, and designer of Temp-tations. I know, hard to believe that's all one person. This is Tara Tesher, pretty in yellow today. I was going to wear my yellow apron, but it didn't quite work with the shirt, so I opted for the contrasting color.
Well, leave it to me to wear yellow, and we will contrast. You look great, by the way, in whatever color you wear.
Thank you, but I'm proud to see you and Mary in yellow today. Hey, Tara, this... Did we describe this correctly? Is this going to be the new way we entertain?
Absolutely. The new way to entertain, and so versatile, and so I'll show you a million different things that you can do with it.
Well, let's go through colors real quickly, and then we'll turn you loose on what you're going to be doing. Now, remember, your pattern is in the side here, and this is the classic that has both floral lace and old world. If we can shoot down lower, that's perfect. So here is the gray. I have it for you in the blue. Here it is in green. I also have red, the black, and then this one is the confetti, which is what Tara collects. So there you can see that beautiful confetti pattern. Now, Tara, the serving bowl itself is not made of stoneware, correct?
Correct. This is almost like a melamine, if you can imagine. So what's nice about that is, again, it's a nice, durable, BPA-free, lightweight piece that gives you that beautiful look that you love, right, with all of the capacity here. And then, as you mentioned, yes, that beautiful base plugs right in. The plug actually pulls apart, David. So again, when you're entertaining, if you did want to bring it right to the table and you had it warm enough, you could do a breakaway plug and bring it again. The way I designed it was so that you could do that. And then what I also love is this base gets warm enough that you can use your pitchers on here, you can use your mugs on here, and you can help keep those warm. The best way to achieve the best results is to heat that dish up first. So what you'll notice is you're getting that 1-quart dish that comes and coordinated with each color. If you want to warm it up, it can either go in the microwave or it can go in the oven. It's that great stoneware, and then it will stay nice and warm throughout that base. Don't think of the base as a way to get it bubbly. Get it bubbly first, and then think of the base as a way to keep it nice and bubbly.
And Tara, you said the capacity of this is 1 cup?
Yes, one cup. Did I say quart? One cup.
I think you might have said quart. I just want to be clear. It's 1 cup.
Yes.
Yeah.
1 cup. Thank
now,
you.
Look what Tara had her stylist do here, and I think this is brilliant. You're serving brunch, breakfast, brunch, what have you. Now, my waffle sticks, my sausages, my donut holes, and my silver dollar pancakes all go in warmed maple syrup. How you doing, warmed maple syrup? Mm-hmm. Or maybe down here it's an appetizer tray and you've got some kind of spicy dipping sauce in the middle, or that could be like a honey mustard or something, and all of these yummies get dipped in there. Delightful. And or queso would be great because that could be kept warm. Tara, if we're serving vegetables and want the dip to stay cold, we just don't plug it in, right?
That's right. And you can chill that ahead of time. So everything you love from Temp-tations is in the brilliance of, again, that 1 cup, that great stoneware that you can heat up. I love this for all of my crudité. When I want to keep that nice and cold, look at how beautiful. And these are nice reservoirs, right? That little section that you have there is nice and oversized, which is great. Yes, I designed it so that cord would tuck right under the center here, so you wouldn't be seeing it. This is meant to be put on a buffet if you wanted to, meant to be in the center of the table. And then you can pull that cord out when you are entertaining if you wanted to bring it outside and you didn't necessarily want to keep it plugged in.
Now, Tara, you have made beautiful colors, and again, the serving platter is more of a melamine type material. Your bowl is stoneware, and here are your pattern choices. This is confetti, what Tara collects. 1,100 available there. Then I've got it for you in the gray, and there's that warming tray. And remember, your gray or your bowl and your warmer will match in color. Here is the blue, 1,200 in the blue. I also have it for you in the green, 950 in that green. Here's your red, 1,400 in the red, and finally we have it for you in the black. Fewer than 1,200 in that black. $27.98. Tara, this is a clearance price, so when these are gone, you're retiring this item, so it will not be back. Important to go ahead and pick up what you need now. And if you order now, this arrives in time for all of your summer entertaining, right?
Yes, absolutely. Whether it's hot, whether it's cold. Here I did a beautiful kind of like separated fruit salad, and I did a little yogurt and berries right there in the center. Remember, keeping that cold as well as keeping it hot. Then when I want to have my onion dip, which I took out of my Oster, it's nice and bubbly. I have my toast points and my chips and things that I want. That will stay nice and warm. You know me, it's all about ease of entertaining, not having to get up and back and heat things up 15 different times. And a lot of times we eat at different times. So this is a great way to keep all of those great things that we love to put out, that we look so forward to, nice and warm throughout the meal.
Now, Tara, you took this stoneware bowl out of an oven. Could I also pop it in the microwave?
You can, absolutely. Everything you love from Temp-tations applies. You can even put it right in the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean it. You can also hand wash the little ring, I'll call it, that has all your little compartments there. So again, super easy, no fuss, no muss. And yes, the breakfast is something I absolutely love because I am constantly heating up my maple syrup. There's your queso dip with all of those great nachos and things that you made, your pigs in a blanket and mozzarella sticks, and then cold as well. Remember those 4 great recipes also? They're really fun, delicious dips just to kind of get you started.
I mean, we've all been at the party and gotten to the buffet late, and only to find the queso was not warm.
Yeah, crusty.
Yeah, and then your chips are just a disappointment, and then you go home all sad. Yeah, it's true. Don't let it happen to you. All these great recipes are right here. Great clearance price on this. And Tara, I know Sunday night is dinner with your mom. Enjoy, okay?
Yes, thank you very much, David. I will see you soon.
And give Gail my best, won't you?
I will, of course. She's actually on a cruise. I'll fill you in later.
Oh, she's on vacay. All right.
She's on vacay.
You and Ed enjoy dinner then. Okay, fantastic. All right, we have one. Where did the show go?